First, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select the 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle here with 60 millimeters by 44 millimeters, press OK. Go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line here and the center point, OK. Now select the fillet, click here in this edge, the fillet here is 2 millimeters, and the fillet here 2 millimeters too, press OK. Now select the circle, make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter, OK. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between this circle here and this line is 16.5 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click on this circle and the midpoint here. OK. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here. Extrude this to this side 12 millimeters. OK. Distance here 12 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to create sketch, select the top plane. We'll take here, OK, top plane. Go to 2-point rectangle, click here in this edge, make a rectangle here 60 millimeters by 25 millimeters, press OK. Let's see. Go to create, select the project, include the project, select this face here, press OK. Let's move here. Go to constraint, select coincident, select this point here, sorry, this edge here and this edge, OK. Now go to modify, select the chamfer, equal distance, the chamfer here, select this line and this line, 5 millimeters, the chamfer here, 5 millimeters too, press OK. Now select this circle, make a circle here with 4 millimeters of diameter, and create another one here with 4 millimeters, and create another one here with 4 millimeters of diameter, press OK. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between these two circles here is 48 millimeters, and the distance between this circle and the midpoint here is 24 millimeters. OK. And the distance between this circle and this line here is 22 millimeters. OK. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this circle and this circle here. OK. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between this circle and this line here is 6 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click on this circle and this point here. OK. Finish the sketch. We have this. Go to extrude, select this profile, extrude this 4 millimeters. OK. Operation join, press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to create sketch and select this face here. Go to 2-point rectangle, click here in this edge, make a rectangle here 8 millimeters by 90 millimeters, press OK. Go to create, select the project, include the project, select this face here, press OK. Go to constraint, select midpoint, click on this line here and this line, OK. Now select the line here, make a line here to this point and make a line to this point here, to this edge. Now select the fillet, select the trim, cut this part here, and select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and this point here, OK. Select the fillet now, make a fillet here with 6 millimeters of radius, and create another one here with 6 millimeters. OK. Select the line, make a line here. Okay, make another line here and select your constraint here, horizontal vertical, click here and click here. Okay, fillet, make a fillet here with 2 millimeters and a fillet here with 2 millimeters too, a fillet here with 2 millimeters and another fillet here with 2 millimeters. Press OK. Now finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here, extrude this 7 millimeters. Operation joint, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create and select this face. Go to create and select arc, center point arc. Make the same center of this circle here, click here. The radius is 10 millimeters. Make a radius here, okay. Select line, make a line here. You can close this sketch here, okay. We have this. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here. We'll make a cut here, -3 millimeters. And in the taper angle here, select 30 degrees. Operation cut and press OK. We have this. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and bye bye.